Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, to understand our question, the program is to accept integer n and n integers and also the integer x as the input, and then we have to print the adjacent pairs whose concatenation is divisible by x, and if there is not such pair, then we are going to, that is, we have to print -1 as the output. So first we are going to accept the inputs, that is the integer n, the n integers and the integer x, and after that we are going to print the adjacent pairs whose concatenation is divisible by x, and then if there is no such pair, then we are going to print -1 as the output. Now we'll take our first test case. So in this test case, here we have integer n as 6, that is we have 6 integers, and then the integer x is 4. Now first we have to concatenate the adjacent two integers, that is 2 and 4, and this 24 is divisible by 4, so we'll get into the output as 2 and 4, and then we have 4 and 8 next to that, so we'll concatenate 4 and 8, and this 48 is divisible by 4, so we'll print 4 and 8, and then we have 8 and 6, that is 86, and when you consider 86, it is not divisible by 4, right? So in such a case, what we have to do is we have to come from the right side, that is 68. When we reverse it, as it becomes 68, and now it is divisible by 4, so we'll print 68, and then we'll move to the next two integers, that is 6 and 5, and here 65 is not divisible by 4, so we'll reverse it, then it becomes 56, and 56 is divisible by 4, so we'll print it, and then we have 5 and 11, that is 511, and now this is not divisible by 4, and when we reverse it becomes 115, which is also is not divisible by 4. So this is our output. Now we'll go to our another test case. Now in this test case, we have 93 as the first two integers, concatenates, which is not divisible by 15, and if you take any other numbers also, they are not divisible by 15. So when there are no pairs formed, we have to print -1 as the output. So in such test cases, we are going to print -1 as the output. Now let's see how to solve this program. First we are going to accept the integer n, that is the number of integers, and then we are going to get the n integers using the array input of dot split of, as there will be spaces, and then we'll get the integer x to check the divisibilities, so int of input of, so here it is x, and now we have got all our inputs, initially flag is equal to false. So after concatenating, if they are divisible by x, we'll change it to true. So first we'll iterate over, that is for index in range n minus 1, and here we are going to first concatenate the adjacent integers. So if the int of array index plus array of index plus 1 are divisible by x, that is modulo x is equal to 0, means we are going to print the array of index comma array of index plus 1, and the flag will be changed to true. So in the elif part it's also the same case. The only difference is they will be reversed, that is index plus 1 plus the array of index mod x is equal to 0. So as I told, flag will be changed to true. So first we are concatenating the adjacent integers and then we are reversing them and concatenating, and if they are divisible, flag will be changed to true, and if flag remains false, then we are going to print -1 as the output.